Have you ever wondered how to earn money while you sleep? Welcome to the world of passive income, a magical realm where your finances grow without constant supervision. It's all about making your money work for you, instead of you working for your money. Imagine the freedom and independence that comes from earning without the daily grind. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Now you understand the power of passive income, but how can you start making it? Creating passive income may seem daunting, but there are many strategies you can use. Let's delve into a few of these. Take investing in stocks, for example. By purchasing shares in a company, you become a part owner and you can potentially earn dividends over time. But remember, it's essential to thoroughly research any company you're considering investing in. Patience is also a virtue here. Don't expect to become a millionaire overnight. Real estate is another viable option. This could mean purchasing a property and renting it out, or investing in a real estate investment trust. Again, thorough research and patience are vital to success. Peer-to-peer lending platforms can also provide a steady income. You lend money to individuals or small businesses in return for interest payments. But as with any investment, there's risk involved, so it's crucial to understand the platform and the borrower's creditworthiness. The digital world offers ample opportunities too. You could create an ebook or an online course on a subject you're passionate about, or you could start a blog or YouTube channel, sharing valuable content with your audience. In all these strategies, consistency is key. You can't just set things up and walk away. You need to monitor your investments, update your digital products, and regularly engage with your audience. These strategies can help you create a steady flow of passive income, but let's not forget one crucial factor: time. Time is a crucial factor in creating passive income. This is because passive income streams often require an initial investment of time or money. Building a passive income stream isn't a sprint, it's more of a marathon. It's about planting seeds today for a harvest that you'll reap tomorrow. Whether it's writing a book, starting a blog, or investing in stocks, these ventures demand time, effort, and sometimes financial resources up front. But the beauty is, with time, these investments can begin to pay off, generating an income even when you're not actively working on them. This is where patience and persistence come into play. It's about staying the course, even when the fruits of your labor are not immediately apparent. It's about trusting the process and understanding that the path to financial freedom is often a long one. With time, patience, and the right strategies, you can create a stream of passive income that allows you to earn money while you sleep. And who wouldn't want that?